Hey everyone, I have just started learning machine learning and I am going to share what I learn every day with you. So today let's understand the basic of machine learning. What is machine learning? Let's keep it simple. Machine learning means giving data to a computer so it can learn from it and make predictions. Real life examples. Actually, you are already using machine learning in your daily life. Email automatically separate spam emails. That machine learning. YouTube recommends video based on your interest. That also machine learning. Amazon suggests similar products. Again, machine learning. Why do we need machine learning? There are many tasks that are difficult to do manually. It can handle large amount of data. It saves time. It's make predictions automatically. Types of machine learning. There are three main types of machine learning. Supervised learning. Here we have input and output data. Example, predictions, students marks. And supervised learning. Here we only have data, no outputs. Example, grouping customers. Reinforcement learning. They works using trial and error. Example, training AI to play games. To build a machine learning systems, we usually follow the simple steps. First one, business understandings. Second one, data collections, data understandings, data predictions, model building, model training, also model testing and model evaluation and model deployment. Finally, CI/CD process. Finally, we use it in real world applications. So machine learning is just a simple step by step process. That's that is for today video. Tomorrow I will explain the next topic in machine learning. Don't forget to follow and share. Thank you.